Damn, interest rate is so high. Hey guys, my name is Ken from Unparalleled Houston Homes, and today we are in Lakeview Retreat. We actually came here before, but today the reason why we're coming back is because home prices have dropped, especially for new construction. So if you guys are planning on buying a new construction home, you guys know who to hit up. But the incentive here is absolutely also crazy. So if you guys want all that information, be sure to watch to the end of the video, hit the subscribe button, and let's go check out the first home now, over there. We're here at the first home now, guys. This home is called the Backstore. It's a 1-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,409 square feet, priced at $319,000 with a lake view. Now, we're not gonna go inside and tour the home, but I'm gonna drop off some B-roll right here so you guys can see. But the material throughout this home is gonna be laminate flooring, laminate cabinets, quartz countertop, a lake view, and a small back patio. Now for a home in Richmond, it's extremely hard to find a home priced under $320 with a lake view, especially extremely close to the West Tollway as well. And for the next home that we see, it's going to be the model home. So we're gonna actually be able to walk through it and you guys get to see, how high the ceiling, how open concept the home is going to be. All right, we arrived at the model home now, just to show you guys a little bit about the material that they use and the layout of this home. So when you first go through the front door, you're gonna have an office space that could be used as a bedroom, and also another bedroom with a bathroom in between them. From here, you guys are gonna make your way into the living space. So we're gonna have an open concept kitchen with laminate cabinets, quartz countertop, laminate flooring throughout the home, and it opens all the way to the living space back there. In the middle section of the home, we're gonna have a bedroom, washer dryer area, and small pantry right there. For the back portion of the house, we're gonna have a small back patio for all the homes that they built here and the master bedroom as well. So the ceilings in this house is gonna be 9 feet high so you don't feel too clustered. All right guys, enjoy the rest of the showing. As for incentives, it's absolutely great. Interest rate is currently around 7%, and this builder is locking in your interest rate at 5.5%. I know a lot of people are on a standstill right now on whether they should purchase the home or not, but with the interest rate at 5.5, it doesn't get better than that. On top of it, they're giving you back $7,500 to pay for your closing costs, as well as an appliance package that's gonna have sprinkler system, blinds, washer dryer, and refrigerator. Taxes in this neighborhood is 3.1% before homestead exemption. It's a little bit high, but over a long period of time, as more people move into this neighborhood and pay down that tax rate is going to go down. For the HOA, it's $850 a year. It's going to have the swimming pool, amenity centers, and retention ponds that they have around this neighborhood, and it makes this neighborhood really beautiful. For the prices in this neighborhood, you're looking anywhere between $390,000 going all the way to $350,000 for a single family, one-story home with a 3 to 4 bedroom. And the schools for this neighborhood is Sanguine Elementary School. For middle schools, we've got David Crockett, and high school is George Bush High School. As for the location, we're conveniently located right next to the West Tollway. So whether you guys are trying to drive down to downtown, Chinatown, or to Katy, or anywhere you guys need to go, you guys have that. As for the builder, they only have a certain amount of lots left. So if you guys are planning on purchasing a home, I recommend that you guys go as fast as you can, because they expect to sell out all the homes in this neighborhood by the end of the year. With that all said, guys, until the next video, Unparalleled Houston Homes, out.